start the program by taking the blessings of Almighty God to give us the wisdom to remove all the darkness and move ahead in the path of light. For this, I request Dr. Vishwesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Sanskrit, School of Humanities and Languages, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, for Vedic Mangalacharan. Over to you, Dr. Vishwesh. Dr. Vishwesh, if you are listening me, please unmute your mic.
हो गया। धन्यवाद मैम। आज के इस विषय के उपलक्ष्य में मैं वैदिक मंगलाचरण हेतु प्रस्तुत हूँ। आज का जो ये वैदिक मंगलाचरण है वह प्रसिद्ध वैदिक ऋषि का वाक द्वारा रचित वाक सूक्त के मंत्रों द्वारा मैं यहाँ वाचन कर रहा हूँ। ओम अहम राष्ट्री संगमनि वसूनां चिकितुषि प्रथमा यज्ञियानां ताम्मा देवाभ्यदधो पुरुत्रा भूरिस्थात्रां भूर्यावेशयन्तीम् ॐ अहमेव स्वयमिदं वदामि जुष्टं देवेभिरुतमानुषेभिः यं कामयेतन्तमुग्रं कृणोमि तं ब्रह्माणं तं ऋषिं तं सुमेधाम् ॐ अहमेव वातैव प्रवाम्यारभमाणा भुवनानि विश्वा परो दिवा पर एना पृथिव्यै तावती महिना सम्बभूव ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
Thank you so much, sir. Now, without any delay, I would like to request Professor Shahana Mazumdar, Head Department of Botany and Presiding Officer, Internal Complaints Cell, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, for welcome address. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Sapna. Good morning to you all. Honorable Chief Guest of this event, Secretary General of the Association of Indian Universities, Dr. Mrs. Pankaj Mittal, Honorable Vice Chancellor of SNDT Women's University, Mumbai, Professor Shashikala Vanjari, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Nalanda University, Rajgir, Bihar, Professor Sunayana Singh, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Central University of Odisha, Professor I. Ramabrahmam, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Professor Sanjeev Kumar Sharma sir, Dean of various schools and heads of departments of both universities, faculty members, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is my proud privilege to welcome you all to the national webinar on women in Indian higher education challenges and opportunity, which is being organized under the aegis of Mahatma Gandhi Central University and Central University of Odisha. Today, we are really honored by the august presence of Dr. Pankaj Mittal. Her academic achievements as well as her professional attainments are a source of inspiration for all of us. Madam, we are truly honored to have you here with us today. We are really thankful to Dr. Mittal for consenting to spare time for this webinar in spite of having such a busy schedule. I'm sure all of us will be immensely benefited from her vast experience and knowledge in her higher education policymaking, planning, and management. We are really proud of your achievements as Vice Chancellor of Bhagat Phul Singh Mahila Vishwavidyalaya and the work you did to develop it, which transformed the whole area in more than one way. We are fortunate that we will get some glimpse of the wisdom with which she has accomplished such feats. We are really honored to welcome you to this event. Welcome, Madam. We are proud to have among our special guest, Professor Shashikala Vanjari, Vice Chancellor, SNDT Women University, Mumbai. Madam, we are honored to have you with us. She is a scholar of education and a champion of women education. We are blessed that we will be getting a chance to share her wisdom and knowledge in the field of women education. I am sure we will get enlightened about the challenges of this field and the solutions therein. I, on behalf of members of organizing committee, heartily welcome you to this national webinar. We are very fortunate to have among us our other special guest, Professor Sunaina Singh, Vice Chancellor, Nalanda University, Rajgir. She is a distinguished scholar and an accomplished administrator. Her accomplishments directly reflect her dedication towards her profession. She has been entrusted with the task of rebuilding the renowned ancient Nalanda University due to her professional integrity and administrative competence. We are really proud to have this opportunity to learn about your vast experience. We are honored to welcome you to this national webinar. Today, we also have Professor I. Ramabrahman, Vice Chancellor of Central University of Odisha, a distinguished scholar of public administration and policy making, a keen educator. He has been associated with government agencies on online education initiatives. We are fortunate to have you, sir, among us and get some glimpse of your deep understanding and insight on the subject. I, on behalf of members of organizing committee, heartily welcome you to this national webinar. I take this opportunity to express our profuse gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir Professor Sanjeev Kumar Sharma, for envisioning and blessing this event. A distinguished scholar of political science and visionary, he has been instrumental in sharing the process of online knowledge sharing by our faculty, members and students in our university. We are grateful to you, sir, for being a constant source of inspiration, encouragement, and support as always. Thank you, sir, for being with us today. We are fortunate that today we will get to hear your views on the subject. I feel personally fortunate and honored to be able to welcome you to this national webinar. Welcome, sir. I once again proudly welcome you all to today's webinar, Women in Indian Higher Education, Challenges and Opportunity, and hope we will have a very useful and interactive session. Over to you, Sapna ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now it's time to move ahead to our speakers. Education, especially higher education, has been recognized as a great equalizer and a powerful tool for upward social mobility, capable of being used for reducing socio-economic disparities and building an inclusive society. Today's topic of is also about discussing the role of women and assess the opportunities and challenges in higher education. And here our first speaker is, before I request her for speaking, I request Dr. Minati Sahu, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, Central University of Odisha, to brief her profile. Over to you, ma'am. Dr. Minati.
Thank you, Sapna ma'am. Good morning, all. It is indeed a great pleasure on my part to introduce a person who has truly made a difference in several lives by inspiring, influencing, shaping, and by her selfless effort in imparting education and empowering women. She is today's our most special guest, Professor Sasikala Vagre ma'am, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of SNDT Women's University, Mumbai, the first women university in India as well as in Southeast Asia. She took the leadership.
आवाज नहीं आ रही, आवाज. Hello.
It's audible. It's audible.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
जी मैम, आवाज आ रही है आपकी.
Yes. Yeah. She took the leadership when the first women's university was celebrating its centenary in 2016. Prior to this, she has served as the professor and the head of the Department of Education, Rashtrasan Tukoji Maharaj Nagpur University. She has many reputed national and international publications under her credit. A strong, empowered, and determined lady, Professor Vanjari never misses an opportunity to